Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
While travelling, the demigods passed over the forest known as Saugandhika, which is full of varieties of flowers, fruits, and desire trees. While passing over the forest, they also saw the regions of Yaksheshvara. Yaksheshvara is also known as Kuvera, and he is the treasurer of the demigods. In the descriptions of him in Vedic literature, it is stated that he is fabulously rich. It appears from these verses that Kailas is situated near the residential quarters of Kuvera. It is also stated here that the forest was full of desire trees. In Brahm Samhita, we learn about the desire tree, which is found in the spiritual world, especially in Krishnaloka, the abode of Lord Krishna. We learn here that such desire trees are also found in Kailas, the residence of Lord Shiva, by the grace of Krishna. It thus appears that Kailas has a special significance. It is almost like the residence of Lord Krishna.